Now that you have made grid lines within your Revit file, it is time to make 3D walls in Revit file. So let's get started. As you can see that I am on ground floor level, and I will go to my architecture panel, and then there is a wall button. The tooltip assistance is showing me command for the drawing wall is WA, and in this case I will just click here, and now you can see that property palette is showing me the properties of a wall, and there are some options within my option bar. So first let's discuss these options, because based upon these options my walls will be drawn anywhere in the file. So let's get started. You can see that currently the height has been selected instead of depth, and in your case it probably be selected that it is unconnected. So if I click on unconnected, now you can see that I can provide the custom height, which is, let's say in this case, 25 feet. And if I select any other of the floor, let's say second floor, then you can see that I cannot provide any custom height, because I've put constraint that my wall should be started from this ground level to this second floor level. Let's view this in practical. So I will draw one wall which is from ground floor to second floor. You can also see the constraint. Base constraint is ground floor, and top constraint or top limit is second floor. So let's make one wall here, and for the second wall I will select the unconnected, and I will draw this wall, let's say here. Now I will go to my elevation, and now I can see only two walls. So currently I don't know which wall is which one, and I will go to my ground floor, and if I press WT and view both of them in parallel, because if I click this one, this wall in this window will be automatically selected, and if I select this wall here, then this will be automatically selected. So for better understanding, let's say this wall has constraints of ground floor and up to second floor, and this wall has the constraint of ground floor to unconnected, which is 20 feet. So what does it mean? It means that one of the wall has constructed to top floor, second floor, and the other one has the top which is unconstrained. If I go to my second floor level and change its height to, let's say 20, or let's say 15 feet, enter. So what happens that the wall which has the constraint of second floor, its height been automatically reduced, but nothing happened to this second wall. Now if I change the second floor height to, let's say 18 feet, and now you can change, you can see the change within the wall. As you can see, the wall has been selected. For some reason, if you have selected the option unconnected, and you shouldn't delete it afterwards, you should just select that wall and then go to property palette, and then select the relevant constraint. Let's say in this case it is second floor, so I will click apply. Now as you can see that both of the walls are constrained to the second floor. Now if I change back the height to 20 feet, you can see that height has been changed. So you should know these changes. Now coming back to wall option and change it to, because I'm currently working on ground floor, in this case I will select first floor. And the second thing is basically wall center line. So what does it mean? It means that Let's say if I click another wall which has more layers, in this case let's say it is this one, and I will select my detail level to fine and then zoom in a lot. And now I want to draw a line. As you can see that the blue dotted line which represents the wall center line is currently at the center of overall width of the wall. So let's say here it is, and for before making this wall, let's say I am going to change my display view to shaded and draw this wall. Let's say to consistent colors or to textures. Okay, or let's say to shaded again. Yeah, that's fine. So as you can see, if I draw my wall, the blue dotted line is currently at the overall width, center of the overall width of the wall. So let's say if I change my uh, location line to core center line, then, and if I start the line, you can see that the location line has been changed. Or let's say if I change it to finish face, any like interior or exterior, and then draw the another line, you can see that the blue dotted line has been reoriented to one of the faces of the wall. And if I press escape and then uh, let's say core face exterior, now you can see that blue dotted line or the location line has been changed. So whenever you are working on these grid lines or any of the lines, you should select location line, and you should remember which type of location line you have already selected for your projects. So in this case I will delete all these walls because I don't need them, and for our course I will just go to back to my original generic 8-inch masonry wall. And in this case, since there is only one layer, now I will select wall center line. Now you can see that here it is. So deleting them now, and coming back to drawing them again. I will not discuss any things further because they are already self-explanatory. So let's start from here. And since currently I am working on ground floor, I have already selected first floor as my top constraint. So I will select this wall to up to here. The Revit is automatically suggesting me to stop by showing me the temporary reference grid planes. Now as you can see that I am drawing walls. Center line, let's say up to here, and then to here, and let's say here. There is a little bit of the difference between the thickness, but that's not problem for now. And now you can also see that this wall is not also aligned with my base plan. So in that case I will go to my modify tab, and then I will go to this align button, or just simply I can press AL. So I will select this first CAD plan, and I will align my wall it to this wall. So that's how you can align it. Okay, so this is one type of wall. Now I want to change another type of the wall, and let's see based upon my dimensions. Let's see if the wall is thick to almost 6 inches. So this time I will select wall to instead of 8 inches I will select 6 inch, and I should start drawing them. Let's say up to here, and then here, and then up to, let's say, here. And now I will align it, the exterior face. Okay, this seems good. Similarly, I will see the walls based upon these settings, and I will draw within these settings. Now this place, you can see that I am drawing everywhere and I am not leaving the space for window or door or anything else, and I am drawing just continuous walls because I don't have to make openings within Revit. Whenever I will be placing doors later on, the openings will be automatically created. And I think I'm almost done for this type of wall in this floor. Just few walls are remaining. Okay, it is overlapping. I will just press escape and then redraw it. So I think one type of wall is enough. Now for these interior partitions, let's say if I'm going to change the material or structure of a wall, let's say I'm going to select another uh, 4-inch brick wall and draw them. But in this case, as you can see, the thickness of wall is very less. I will change its thickness to 5 inches. I will go to wall and then edit type it. Now I will duplicate it and not just change it, because maybe later on if I need the 4-inch generic brick wall, I will be needing maybe. But for the, it is good practice that if I duplicate it and I rename it, and now I will have to change the thickness as well. So I will go to structure and then I will click on this brick material is fine by me, but I have to change the thickness, which is 5 inches, 5 over 16 inches. Okay, and apply. Now you can see that in my properties palette there are two kinds of wall. This one is the original one and this is a new one. So let's draw another one and see. Now you can see that the new type of wall has also been added to our list. And since chain has been selected, I have to press escape once to get out of this chain command, but not the overall wall command. See, where are the other walls? Let's say if I draw these wall as well. Since this wall is at the angle, you see there is a little bit shift from the center. So I will realign it to my CAD plan. Now it is good. Then again go to wall command and start the wall. So I think two type of wall has been already placed, or three, but two interior, one exterior. Now for these walls, oh, these are remaining. So again the same wall type. Some of the walls are here and I will redraw them as well. This section has been remaining now, and for that reason I will again recheck the overall wall thickness. It is currently more than 8 inches, but I would like to make some changes, like these walls should be in 8-inch filled, or rename it to concrete 8-inch concrete, and go to my structure, and let's leave the thickness as it is, but change the material. Concrete, let's say, or this one, and let's preview it. Yes, it is fine. Apply. Okay, now a new type of wall has been added to our list, and draw these walls. As you can see, currently there is a little bit difference these two portions in our CAD file. So just trim it or split this wall, and align this portion to this one, and now rejoin it. Okay, and now the last one, which is, let's say, from here to here and up to this level. Also on this side, it will start from here to here, or sorry, it will start from here up to here. Now if I want to draw the exterior glazing walls or curtain wall, Revit also has that option. For that I will be going to wall, and then go to my property palette, and then see under the curtain wall family there is storefront option. So I will just click on it, and the options are same for the other wall types as well. And I will just draw the curtain wall from one edge to another edge, let's say in this case this one. Now you can see that automatically Revit has deleted the concrete portion and created the glazed curtain wall option instead. So I will create in this section as well, and in this section as well. and then from here to here as well. Now uh, I will not be drawing all the walls for every floors because it will take too much time. But for the sake of this video, uh, I will draw exterior walls, which is obviously the outer walls, are same for every floor, and I will just copy and paste them to the upper floors. Let's say I am on second floor, and as well as on the ground floor. On the ground floor, let's turn off this underlay option and just view only the first floor and not the underground, not the ground floor. So for the ground floor, let's select these external walls, which is select all instance and visible in view. After that, uh, press Ctrl and click on this one as well, and right click and see select all instance in visible view. So it also select the curtain wall, and now press Ctrl and select this one and right click and then select all instance in visible view. Now that you can see that these curtain walls, these concrete walls, as well as these masonry walls have been selected, and I just want to copy them from ground floor and paste them on the above floor levels. But before that, I will go to my 3D. Now that you can see that all the exterior envelope has been selected and the walls are showing on just ground floor, and none other floor has any kind of walls. So I will go to ground floor and then I will click on copy, and then on modify tab, obviously I will go to paste and then to align to selected levels. It means that I can select multiple floors as well. So I will select first floor, fourth, obviously not ground floor because I have already drawn walls on them. Roof, it doesn't have any walls, and second floor and third floor. So I will just click them and see if the changes are happen to our floor plans or not. So I think all of the changes are happened, and if I go to my 3D, then you can see that all the exterior envelope has been selected and they are copied and pasted to other floors. So you can do quick work by doing so, and you can also save your time. In the upcoming videos, I will not be drawing any kind of other interior partitions in any floor levels. In all the floor levels will be drawn in the upcoming videos, and all the exterior or interior will be already drawn in the upcoming videos, where I will just place doors, windows and floors and no wall segments. So that's it for today.